My name is Aisha Somtochukwu Yusufu. I am Igbo. Any threat to the Igbo people is a threat to me. Any attack on the Igbo people is an attack on me. Any malignment of the Igbo people is a malignment to me. We are all Nigerians, and no Nigerian is more Nigerian than any Nigerian. And the government must ensure that it deploys its resources and it deploys its apparatus equally to every section of this country. I totally condemn the tweets from the president, where the president is threatening the Igbo people. He is threatening them with what happened in 1967. What happened in 1967 was a genocide, a crime against humanity, and it must never, ever, ever be allowed to happen again. Not only must it never, ever be allowed to happen again, Nigeria must apologize for that crime against humanity. And for a president to come out today and use 1967 as a yardstick to threaten people with what happened then, with the 30 months of gruesomeness, with the 30 months of heinousness, with the 30 months of atrocities that were meted at on human beings, on fellow brothers and sisters, on children in this country, it's inhumane, it's insensitive, it is callous, and it's unspeakable. And I, Aisha Somtochukwu Yusufu, I am saying today, I am repeating today that I am Igbo, and any attack on Igbo people is an attack on me. No Nigerian is more Nigerian than any Nigerian, and this country belongs to all of us, and nobody will denigrate any one of us from being fully Nigerian.